Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to add translations for your channel name and description on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Sign in to YouTube Studio using your Google account credentials. Step 3. From the left menu, select Customization, and then click on Add Language. Step 4. Choose the original language of your channel, and then select the translation language you desire. Step 5. Enter the translations for your channel name and description in the respective fields. Step 6. Once you've finished entering the translations, click on Done to save your changes. Adding translations for your channel name and description can help you reach a wider audience and make your content more accessible to viewers from different regions. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add translations for your channel name and description on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.